Hey, Nikki Brown here. So I'm making some tzatziki sauce. And I'm going to add white pepper, dill. Really? Right now I'm cutting up my cucumbers. I already have my garlic cut up. I'm gonna grab my yogurt in a second. Just rough chopping my cucumber. The battery's dying on my other phone. Here is my garlic. Voila. I'm going to add also a little bit of salt. This is pink sea salt. I'm going to add a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Also going to add the juice of a lemon. Half a lemon. We'll do half a lemon. And yes, I do live in a small place, and what you see in the background is mainly my business stuff. That's my lunch bag. It's all right. We're working it out. So anyway, I'm adding my yogurt. The Forager's plain probiotic cashew milk yogurt. I'm going to stir. I'm going to add my lemon juice. I'm going to add olive oil. This is what we have so far. I'm going to add my dill. I am going to add my white pepper. Yee! Put a lot. And we are going to stir, stir, stir. I'm going to add more yogurt. Ooh, that pepper got to me. I put too much, but it's gonna be all right. It's gonna be all right. That pepper. Honey. So here is what we have. And I'm going to give it a little taste to see. So good. I think you actually use a little bit more salt. That fresh garlic, the dill. I think I'll put a little bit more dill too. Why not? Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Yes. That is so good. So good. So good. So I'm gonna put that in the Frigidaire. I'm actually getting ready to make a little wrap. Have to make sure it tastes all right. But that is your homemade tzatziki sauce. Ew, 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 ew. Love y'all.